Yeah, so hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how to come out of the mobile addictions. So as you know or as you ever about that, like the mobile phone is nothing but a device which is like a lifeblood for everyone. So like without blood nobody can survive. Same like in this era without mobile phone nobody can like survive. Like the situation came like this way. Why I'm talking that mobile phone is so essential and is a part of our life because we are using the mobile phone in different way and the features which are available in the mobile phone so which will give you the optimum access level of your enjoyment entertainment, and you can have a multiple uses of that, like you can communicate, you can send a video, you can send a message, you can communicate of the n number of people with a fraction of time, you can coordinate with the global like teams, or like for business matter, personal matter, whatever the situation may be, that will help you to communicate your idea, your thoughts. So this is the one part. Second, the now it is most important for everyone that you can send money to everyone by using a mobile phone, or you can play games on mobile phone, you can watch videos and whatever the task, that there are n numbers of activity you can spend time, like kill your time. So no matter what the situation may be, so that are the things that the mobile phone are being made for that. And we as a human being, and we are using that phone not like it's just a device, it is the part of our life, and like part of our, like you can say it's a body, you can say. Without mobile phone we are not going out at all, right? Same like why it is getting addicted to us, what is the reason for that, and how come we'll come out, and why should I come out from that addiction, that we are going to discuss further. So I want to hear from everyone to contribute and make the discussion more productive. Yeah, so what do you say?
Yes, of course. Mobiles are addicted nowadays very in a big way. Like every time, every single minute we will use mobiles. It's like not only children nowadays. It is for everybody from 1 year baby up to 99 years and 8 years person, also old person. How this is like a it is becoming like a poisonous to us. So we should avoid mobiles as much as possible because we can't avoid every time. At least sometime we can avoid. Example, early morning, night. In the early morning, we should try to avoid looking mobile when we woke up. Usually what we will do when we woke up in the morning, we will see at least what is the time, or we see the some pictures on the mobile. We should avoid that. People who live without mobile also, but it's like it's just a habit what we had. We should avoid all those things. And one tip I can give you, like after 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, whatever you are going to bed, before that 1 hour 2 hours, you can set your mobile into a sleep mode. So that time what will happen, our mobile will change the settings and it will change the lightings also. So our mind, what the science tells, the light, if light is there, if there is a light with a very colorful like this, what our mind will think, there still time will be afternoon or evening. So if you see in the mobile also, if you watch something on the mobile, the lightings on in the with that lighting effects, what will happen, the our mind will fix there is still the time is there to sleep. So the one tip is we can go with the small, that's silent, sorry, sleep mode. It will change the settings and it will reduce the lightings. So our mind will think, okay, we can go to bed. It's somewhere I read recently, so I want to share here. This is my one of my points. I will share as soon as one comes to my mind. What do you
Yeah,
say?
so I'd like to bring to your attention that first of all, I need to think about why should I come out from the mobile phone? Is there anything that comes to us, or is there anything that by using the mobile phone, what are the merits and demerits that we need to discuss further? If I talk about the one of the demerits that like there are radiations by using a mobile phone. If you keep your mobile phone like inside the pocket, or maybe like if you keep it your bed, or beside the pillow, then what will happen? The radiation will happen that may cause like maybe some cardiovascular diseases, or some maybe some brain or like some diseases which may get impacted to your body, or you may be fall into a severe diseases. So not sure what kind of disease, but there may be some radiation that will get impacted to your body. So let's discuss on that, why we should come out from the, what are the demerits, and what could go wrong if you will use that, and who should avoid, or who should not use the mobile phone in that this generations. So let's discuss further in this topic first, then we'll come out like how we can come out from this.
Yeah, so Meenakshi, what do you think?
So, as you both mentioned that mobile phone is too addictive, and I will discuss that how we can overcome this addiction. As we can try waking up early and do meditation and chanting, which will help us to keep away from our mobile phones. And we all must be watching web series or Netflix series in late nights. So I think we can avoid that. Instead of, we can read books, and this will help us to overcome this mobile addiction. And I think this is how we will deal with the mobile addiction. And nowadays, many parents give their phone to their children, so that they can't shout at them, and many more things, so that they can avoid their what I can say, their care or everything. So I think this is not what should they should do. Instead of that, they should spend time with their children, and they should not give their phones to the younger ones, especially. And I think this is how we can overcome this.
So Manmuni, what do you think? Yeah, tell me your opinion. You don't have anything to say? Yeah. So
Yes.
let's ask our
Yeah. So in the digitalization era, that mobile phone is become a part of life. Without mobile phone, the human is not possible to live. Like that only it is happening. That in this usage of mobile, that obesity of human body is becoming more and more, and that health issues are coming because of less activity are not doing it itself. They are watching only that social media, yeah, as a Facebook, Instagram, and web series, Netflix. So my opinion is that you need to stop that, and you need to start the activity of that. In the old age, people are doing that physical activity, kabaddi, volleyball, any playing activity. You need to tie up with one activity. Then you need to start the activity. Then you need to avoid the mobile users wherever, whenever required. That time only you need to watch. Now you see in the life that without mobile you cannot live. Like that only it is happening. You should avoid that one. You need to control. Then later I will discuss further.
yeah. So what do you think?
Mobile phone addicted is under the apps is so many entertainment platform apps, and YouTube and Facebook, Twitter, anything apps. So very loss of time students, and better than so use of so yoga and many games, friends or any meeting, and then avoid the first of all per day 2 or 3 hours to avoid the mobile phone is good. Then users of per day 3 or 2 hours use only mobile. After that, play games and other activities he can go on participation. And then that's all.
Yeah. What do you think about?
I disagree, my friends.
Mhm.
Mobile is part of our life.
Okay.
Uh, Mobile is useful device. Or use and useful times we use. Suppose that I go to somewhere, use navigation, and some things we need easily जो उससे मिल सकता है मान लो I recently saw a interview Elon Musk. Reporter asked Musk to how much time he spent mobile. So Elon Musk our mobile take reporter check it. One day 5 and 6 minute use. The great personality we learn them mobile जो more time spent avoided. Human body difficult way easily side, but difficult side not turn. So mobiles apps YouTube, Insta, Facebook easy to mind spend time and interest. So avoid this.
Okay. What do you think about?
We know our phone is harmful for ours. We all know that, but we are using every day. This is the part of our life nowadays, more than food. And why we are implement avoid phone weekly 1 hour per mobile only. We are taking a IT sector. They are all taking Sunday leaves. Why government not providing that? One day we are all shut down the all electronic gadgets, including mobile also, for one day only. This is good for environment and we also human also, as well as but nowadays we can't seeing a we can't say birds also small, only we saw eagle, big birds only. Why we are not avoiding? Government also not taking strict action also. I am telling that we need implement this for 1 week, weekly one offer. Electric gadgets, all gadgets, not for mobile only. All gadgets we need to shut down 1 day only. When COVID comes,